So, you've heard about StashAway, right? Maybe a friend mentioned it, or you saw an ad online. But have you ever wondered, is StashAway a real bank? It's a question that many people ask, and today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about what a traditional bank is. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. It's a place where you can save money, borrow money, and exchange currency. Banks are regulated by government authorities to ensure the safety of your funds. Unveiling StashAway. Now, let's turn our attention to StashAway. It's a digital investment platform that allows you to invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. It's a convenient way to start investing, even with small amounts of money. But is it a bank? The short answer: no, StashAway is not a bank. It's an investment platform. While StashAway offers investment services, it doesn't have the traditional banking functions like accepting deposits or making loans. It's regulated as an investment advisor, which means it provides investment advice and manages your investments on your behalf. Key differences between StashAway and a traditional bank. Regulation: banks are regulated by banking authorities, while investment platforms like StashAway are regulated by securities regulators. Services: banks offer a wide range of services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, loans, and credit cards. StashAway, on the other hand, focuses on investment services. Risk: investing in the stock market involves risk. While your money is safe with a bank, it's not guaranteed to grow with StashAway. Is StashAway safe? While StashAway isn't a bank, it's still a safe and reliable way to invest your money. Here's why. Regulation: StashAway is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, ensuring that it operates within legal and ethical guidelines. Security: your investments are held in secure brokerage accounts, protected by industry-standard security measures. Diversification: StashAway invests your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, reducing your risk. Professional management: your investments are managed by experienced investment professionals. The bottom line: StashAway is a great option for those who want to start investing, but it's important to understand that it's not a traditional bank. It's an investment platform that offers a convenient way to grow your wealth over the long term. So, should you use StashAway? The answer depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a low-cost, hassle-free way to invest your money, StashAway could be a good choice. However, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.